How to turn on central air conditioner, step-by-step guide. To turn on your central AC, set the thermostat to cool, lower the temperature below the current room temp. Check that breakers are on and the outdoor unit is clear, then ensure the indoor filter is clean for cool air to flow. If it doesn't start, check for tripped breakers or a dirty filter, but call a pro if issues persist, as it could be electrical or refrigerant related. Here are some step-by-step guide. Thermostat settings. Find the switch or setting for mode, and set it to cool, not heat or off. Set the temperature to be several degrees lower than your current indoor temperature to trigger the AC. Ensure the fan is set to auto, not on, to only run when cooling. Check the circuit breakers. Locate your home's electrical panel. Find the breakers for your furnace and AC, often a double pole breaker. If a breaker is tripped, in the middle position, flip it firmly to off, and then back to on. Inspect the outdoor unit, condenser. Make sure the area around the large outdoor fan unit is clear of leaves, dirt, or plants. Confirm the fan outside is spinning and producing cool air, not just air, after a few minutes. Check the air filter. Locate the filter on your return air vent, where air gets sucked in. If it's visibly dirty or blocked, replace it with a new one, ensuring the airflow arrow points correctly. Confirm airflow. Check that all indoor supply vents are open and not blocked by furniture. Feel for cold air coming from the vents after about 10 to 15 minutes. When to call a professional. If the breaker trips again immediately, the outdoor fan doesn't run, or you suspect electrical issues like a bad capacitor or blown fuse, stop troubleshooting and call a licensed HVAC technician for safety and proper repair.